So I get asked one simple question a lot. Don't ask why I'm on Gorilla Tag. I get asked one simple question a lot. It comes down to one thing when goalkeeping. You have to train, and then that's just how you get better. That is just how it works. When it's cold, like right now, when it's wet, I don't like going outside. I like training on my VR. Usually, with this game called Final Soccer, it's a goalkeeping game. You use your life and use your hands to save the ball. And I get asked a lot, why am I such a good goalkeeper? Well, it comes down to this one simple thing. I play in Premier League size girls, so it is very hard to make the saves, but this game helps me with my coordination and how I move around with the ball in this one single soccer. It is a goalkeeping football game. I don't understand why it sounds like I'm in an ad and being paid right now, but I don't care. And it comes down to one game. This game. I'm not using arm extenders, don't worry. I've just got genuinely long arms. Let's play the simulator. You have to move in real life for this one, as you can see. Right, you have to move.
Here he is, rather nervously, I must
say. So, this is how I train. This is how I get better.
That's it.
You have to catch it as well in the game with W's and stuff.
What a horrible way to lose.
Right. It is a morning, so I'm not that good, but I should make some.
And he saved it! Goal!
I'm going to try to catch it and dive in the water.
What a brilliant goal!
You're trying to trick me! Get off the pitch! Really? Okay, it is early in the morning, and I am wearing a frigging Xbox jumper, so maybe let's take this stupid thing off. Oh god, I'm naked. Who cares? I'm trying to play. Right, now let's see how good I am if I replay. Let's go. It's this one. It's okay.
Well, he doesn't look all that confident.
Yeah, you're right. I don't look confident, but I am confident. What are these gloves, by the way? They're absolutely dark. Alright, I'll take it off my jumper. Let's see if this helps one bit.
Excellent save from the goalkeeper.
Really? Nice try, bud. I'm jumping in all off as well to actually get higher. You have to mimic a real game scenario.
Fantastic save.
Yeah.
Superb save.
This is what it's actually like for me in a game.
Save by the keeper.
What do I have a feeling he's going to score? That way, that way. Always works. It always works. Oh god, that ball's distracting me. It was distracting me too much. Oh god. Keeper! Come on. Come on, we can make it. We can make it. We can make it.
That's it.
Please stop! Please stop, please. Alright, let's go. What?
And he's buried it.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Let's just play another one. Right, another simple game that you can play. God, I just sound like a little kid. Another simple game that you can actually play is called VRFS. The only problem is it doesn't mimic the actual real game scenario this does. Don't ask me where I am right now. I'm gonna start. Alright, this is pretty much like an arcade game. Now we're literally gonna go to arcade game. Meow! Bing bong! Right, let's go. I've never played that What is going on? What is going on? Okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. What was that? I didn't even understand what was going on. Oh. Nope. Fair enough. Anyway, this is a game that I play to get better. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah.